Hello everyone, I'm Nusrat from Tutorials and today we are going to understand about solids. So before we start understanding solids, we need to understand few basic terminologies of a solid shape. What are those? If you look at this solid shape, this is called as the cube. Yes, this is a cube. Now first, before understanding the other solid shapes and to know more about cube, let us quickly understand what are faces, what are edges, and what are vertices. Have you heard them before? If not, let's quickly understand what are faces. A face of any solid is the curved or flat surface. In this cube, you see this, I'm marking it with green. This square shape is one of the faces of the cube. So face is nothing but a curve or flat surface of any solid. Now what is an edge? Edges are lines between the faces. Let us mark the line between the faces on this cube. So these are lines 1, 2. So these are called as edges. Now, what is a vertex? What are vertices? If there is one, we say vertex, and if there are many, we say vertices. Now, what is a vertex? A vertex is a point where edges meet. So this is a vertex. This is also a vertex. This is also a vertex. So before you understand solids, it's very important that you understand these three basic terms of any given solid: a face, an edge, and a vertex. Now let us look at these basic solid shapes. Let us understand them one by one. Now, because we already saw what a cube is, let us start with a cube. So this is how a cube looks like. So let us first understand how many faces, how many vertices, and how many edges does this cube have. So a cube has a total of 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. You can count them and find out. 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. Now look around you. Are there any shapes around you which are cubical in shape, which are of a shape of a cube? Look around quickly. Yes, you will find out a dice is cube shaped. An ice cube that you use in summer is also shape of a cube. Let's go to the next shape. Now this shape is called as a cuboid. And as cube has square faces, a cuboid has faces which are rectangular in shape. Now, how many faces, vertices, and edges does a cuboid have? So it's similar to a cube. A cuboid also has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. And if you look around you, you will find out many things are also cuboid in shape. If you look at your books, they are cuboid in shape. If you look at your cupboard, it's also cuboid in shape. There are many boxes, storage boxes, that are also cuboid in shape. Now, if you look at the cube and a cuboid, you will find out one basic difference. A cube is square shaped and a cuboid is rectangular shaped. Let us go to the next shape. This shape is called as the cylinder. Yes, this is cylindrical in shape. Now, how many faces, vertices, and edges does this cylinder have? So, if you look at this cylinder, it has 3 faces, one top, one bottom, and one is the curved surface. So, total of 3 faces. It has 2 edges and it has 0 vertices. And you will again find out there are so many things which are cylindrical in shape if you look around you. A water bottle, a can of soda, right? A paint bucket are all cylindrical in shape. The next shape that we need to understand is a sphere. Yes, which is circular. A sphere. So a sphere doesn't have, what does it not have? A sphere does not have any edges or vertices. So the number of edges and vertices in a sphere are 0. It only has one curved surface. And look around you, you'll find out many objects that are circular again, which are in a shape of a sphere. You see the globe is circular. You play with marbles, they are also in the form of a sphere. The basketball that you play is also in shape of a sphere. Now let us go to the last solid shape, which is called as the cone. Yes, you heard it right. This is a cone. Now, a cone has 2 faces. One is this base, which is in a shape of a circle or an oval, and this at the top you have a curved surface. So a cone has 2 faces. Next, if you look at the edges, the cone has 1 edge and 1 vertex. And if you start looking around you again, you will find out a few shapes that are cone shaped. You wear party hats on your birthday, so that are circular in shape. The Christmas tree which you decorate during Christmas is also conical in shape. So if you look around you, you will find out that many objects have different solid shapes. Cuboid, cube, cylinder, a sphere, and a cone are the basic solid shapes that you need to remember.